Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepanita's Creativity. In this video I am going to show you how to make banana peel liquid fertilizer. We eat bananas and throw away the peel, but we can make a good fertilizer for plants by banana peel. Take some fresh or dry banana peel and add some plain water. Leave it for 3 to 4 days. Then sieve it. This residue can be used in compost. Take this filtrate and add 4 times plain water. This banana peel fertilizer is rich in potassium. Potassium increases flowering and fruiting of the plant. So we use this fertilizer in our flowering and fruiting plants.